Because of a big bolt, I'll just chuck it in the middle. They were building the scaffolding. Much better, Nick.
What are you doing way over there? Come back over here.
Now you're going up some stairs.
Hey, good going, Squid! It's a sad day. Getting rid of the tractor finally. So I cut these 3 manually with a grinder and it's still buckled and bananaed in. So it was actually better with the CNC router. At least it was quicker and it looked neater. The only thing I would have done differently is put something inside the box so the plasma cutter didn't blow splatter all over it. Like this one.
At least put pickling paste all over.
If I can put the piece easier to weld, I always do. Look at how good that came out. This tiny little $400 welder, and I'm using these electrodes, and I don't have to use argon and stuff around with that stuff. This is definitely going to buckle, but that's okay. I'll hit it back into place with a hammer. I've just welded that bit. Now I'm going to weld the opposite side. Little pinhole, who cares? I'm gonna fix it. This is embarrassing. I thought this was going to be so easy to make, but 3mm stainless warps real easy, especially using a stick welder. I didn't screw it to the bench. I did nothing technical. Because I've been working away so much, I've been trying to unload work onto proper trades just so I could get the boat painted and make some progress. The local boat builder came over and I showed him the job and he said I need to fiberglass this stuff. He said I should finish the roof before I paint the sides and the boat. The machinist came up with a way better idea that this is what he did. Swivel brackets like that. So if these actuators come up at different rates, it won't matter so much because it'll be able to swivel. It'll also give me the ability to tilt the roof side to side, front to back. It'll give me a bit more room to be inaccurate when I'm mounting these into the roof. These all have to be perfectly parallel to each other, which is going to be really hard. I need to make a support that's kind of adjustable around here. I need to make a fiberglass pad here that this post will suck into, or something down there anyway. Same with over here. So I'll make it so I can control all of them independently or all together, back or front. If someone puts their finger in between here and here when it comes down, they're in big trouble. 6,000 Newton meters will be crushing it, but there'll be like a cup over here. We got a truck, don't we? Screech.
Yep.
That's it. That's all right. Perfect. That's it. There you go.
Well done, Chris. How do you feel?
Oh, fine. I made a valuable contribution to building this boat.
Well done, guys.
So it's probably going to be slightly lower than that because you can see these arms aren't really going into the roof nicely because it's not finished. But it gives you a better look at how it will look when it's fully up. These look crap. Real podgy. This will be down lower once it's all reshaped. So it'll look cooler, but it won't be very practical, which is the reason why I'm lifting it up. There.
The roof's on.